upon minus 4, that is equal to x minus 2 upon 1, right? So by cross multiplying we will get y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 into x minus 2. Okay, so we will get here y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 into x minus 2, right? So by simplifying this one we will get y minus 3, that is equal to minus 4x plus minus 4 into minus 2, that is equal to plus 8. So we will get here minus 4x, if it comes in the left hand side, then that is the plus 4x, here plus y, that is minus 3, and plus 8 comes this side, that is minus 8, is equal to 0. So after all, the equation of this line, that is 4x plus y minus 11, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of line which is passing through the points a 2 3 and b 3 minus 1. So in this way, using this formula, that is 2-point form, we can find the equation of line which is passing through 2 3 and 3 minus 1, which is given by 4x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required line. Now moreover, we are asked to find the slope of this line and x-intercept and the y-intercept. So here this is the equation of line. If we compare this equation with the general form, which is, as we have discussed, the general form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare this equation of line with the general equation, then a is equal to 4, b is the coefficient of y, that is here. So here coefficient of y is 1, so b is equal to 1, and the constant term, that is minus 11, so c is equal to minus 11. And now we need to find the slope of the line, x-intercept of the line, and y-intercept of the line. So we know that the slope of the line is given by, slope is equal to minus a upon b, that we have already discussed. So minus a upon b, that is equal to minus 4 upon 1, that is equal to minus 4. So slope of the line m is equal to minus 4. X-intercept that is equal to minus c upon a, that is equal to, so c is equal to minus 11. So minus of minus 11, that is minus c upon a, is equal to 4. So this one minus minus plus, so that is 11 by 4. That is the value of x-intercept. And in the same way, the y-intercept, that is equal to minus c by b. So here minus c, that is minus of minus 11 upon b, is equal to 1. So here that is the answer is 11, which is the value of y-intercept. So here the slope of the line, that is minus 4, x-intercept, that is 11 by 4, and y-intercept, that is 11. So in this way we can find the equation of line, and using the equation of line we can find the slope of the given line, x-intercept of that line, and y-intercept of that line. So this is a very important example as the exam point of view. Let us look at some more examples. Let us look at the second question, second example, that is find the equation of the line which is passing through the point 3 7. We need to find the equation of line which is passing through the point 3 7 and having slope m is equal to 1 by 2. So here we need to find the equation of line which is passing through the point 3 7 and having slope m. So we have a point, we have slope. So to find the equation of that line we will use point slope form or slope point form, that is given by y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is the point slope form. If we have given a point, fixed point, and the slope of the line, and we need to find the slope, we need to find the equation of that line, then we can use the point slope form. Here x1 y1 is equal to 3 7, so x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 7, so y minus y1, that is y minus 7, m is equal to 1 by 2, and x minus x1, that is x minus x1 is equal to 3, so here x minus 3. So here this 2 comes in left hand side, so this is 2 into y minus 7 is equal to x minus 3, that is equal to 2y minus 14, 2y minus 14 is equal to x minus 3. So the equation is x plus 2y comes in this side, so that will be minus 2y plus 14 minus 3 is equal to 0. And so by simplifying, we will get the equation is x minus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of line which is passing to 3 7 and having slope m is equal to 1 by 2. So in this way we can find the equation of line using the point slope form. Okay, let us discuss about the now let us discuss about the parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So if we discuss about these topics, if two lines are parallel to each other, then what will happen, and if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then what will happen. So let us discuss about the properties of parallel and perpendicular lines, and what can we say about the slope of the parallel lines and the slope of the perpendicular lines. If we look at the PPT here, if the lines are parallel, then the slope of that two lines are equal. Okay, if these two lines parallel, then the m1 is equal to m2, because the angle with the positive x direction is the same for the both lines. So tan theta is same, and so the slope are same. So m1 is equal to m2 if two lines are parallel. Okay, if the lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So note that if two lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2, and if two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 1. So these are main two results for the slope of parallels and perpendicular lines. Okay, for the parallel lines m1 is equal to m2, for perpendicular lines m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now so if the slope of the first line is 3 by 8, and if we want to find the slope of the perpendicular line, then just we need to flip the slope first and change its sign, so we can find the slope of the perpendicular line for the given line. Okay, so in this way we can find the slope of the perpendicular line. Let us confirm our idea. Let us clear up our basics. So if the slope of the line r is equal to 3 by 4, then the and the slope of the line s, that is equal to 3 by 4, so we can say that lines are parallel. In the same way, if the slope of the line t, that is 4 by 7, and slope of the line u is minus 7 by 4, then we will say that these lines are perpendicular. Okay, now let us look at some example of finding the equation of line which are parallel or perpendicular to each other. And before that, let us look at one more example. If the question is like that, if two lines 3x plus 4my plus 8 is equal to 0 and 3my minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. If these two lines are perpendicular, then find m. So here we need to find the value of m if these two lines are perpendicular. This one is in the September 2009, right? So here first of all we will find the slope of both these lines, because if these two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, right? So here the slope of the first line, the slope of 3x plus 4my plus 8 is equal to 0. We can find the slope of this line using the general formula ax plus by plus c. Here a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 4m. So the line slope m1 is equal to minus a upon b, that is minus a1 upon b1, that is equal to minus 3 by 4m, which is the slope of first line. In the same way, the slope of the second line, for the second line I will directly say that here this one is a2 and this one is b2, this one is a2 and this one is b2, because here 3my minus 9x. So first I will rearrange the equation, which is minus 9x plus 3my plus 10 is equal to 0. So here a2 is equal to minus 9 and b2 is equal to 3m. So the slope m2, that is equal to minus a upon b, that is minus minus plus, so 9 by 3m. Okay, and so m2 is equal to, I will get m2 is equal to 3 by m. Okay, so we have got m1 is equal to, and m1 is equal to here minus 3 by 4m, as we have discussed above. So now we have the slope of both lines. m2 is equal to 3 by m and m1 is equal to minus 3 by 4m. Sorry, minus 3 by 4m. If these two lines are perpendicular, then here we have given that find the value of m if these two lines are perpendicular, right? So if these two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, because for perpendicular lines. Okay, if two lines are perpendicular, then the multiplication of their slopes will be equal to minus 1. So m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Here m1 is equal to minus 3 by 4m and m2, which is equal to 3 by m, which is equal to minus 1. So here also minus, here is also minus, so minus minus plus, 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 upon 4 m into m, that is equal to m square. So 9 upon 4m square, that is equal to plus 1. So we will get 4m square. If so, 4m square, that is equal to 9. Okay, by simplifying this one. So m square is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, very simply we can say that m square is equal to 9 by 4. So m is equal to, by taking the square root of 9 by 4, we will get the value of m, that is plus or minus 3 by 2. So the value of m, that is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. So using the idea of the slope of the perpendicular lines, we can find any unknown value which is given in the equations of the any line. So in this way we can solve the example. Let us look at some more examples. If we look at the PPT here, the next question is like that, find the equation of the line which is parallel to the line 6x minus 3y is equal to 9 and also passing through the point minus 5 minus 8. Okay, so here we want to find the equation of line which is parallel to the given line. So first of all we will find the slope of the given line, so that the slope of the required line will be as same as the slope of the given line, because this line is the parallel to the given line. So here step 1, in the step 1 we will find the slope of the given line, which is here the line is 6x minus 3y is equal to 9. From here we can find the slope of the line by two ways. First way, by comparing this equation with the general form, or by the comparing this equation with the slope intercept form, which is the y is equal to mx plus b type. So if we find the slope of the form by that way, here y is equal to 2x minus 3, which is y is equal to mx plus b. So here m is equal to 2. So here slope of the line that is equal to 2, which is the slope of the given line. Now the given the required line is parallel to the given line, so slope of the required line is also 2, because the slope of the parallel lines will be equal. So here m1 is equal to m2, so the slope of the required line is also equal to 2. Okay, and here we here the required line is also passing through the point minus 5 minus 8. So now we have the fixed point minus 5 minus 8 and the slope of the line which is equal to 2. So here x1 y1 is equal to minus 5 minus 8. So now using the point slope form, we have the point x1 y1 is equal to minus 5 minus 8 and the slope is 2. So here y1 is equal to minus 8, so y minus minus 8, that is equal to 2 into x minus minus 5. So y plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 10. By simplifying, we will get the line, required line, which is y is equal to 2x plus 2, which is the line which is parallel to the line 6x minus 3y is equal to